You got to. You got to. All the they do. Swear to God, I'm coming for one by one. Got something for them. That's why you got your ass for. I'm shooting. Stop.
All right, we are back again. I'm gonna go in blind with this one right here. We're gonna watch this together. First, you know what I'm saying? I want you guys all to subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video just for no reason at all. Share it. Comment. Let me know what you think about this video at the end. And also, you are able to now support the channel. You know what I mean? Hit that thanks button underneath the video and show a little love. If you want to see Logic on Steroids expand. You know what I mean? All right, let's get into it right now.
Are you ready? When you're healing from previous health complications, you shouldn't be getting into any physical disputes with anyone. But on May 23rd, 2024, police were called after a woman got into an altercation with another woman after an argument that didn't end well.
I can't. It's locked. Somebody have any idea what's going on?
I've seen it happen.
Hello. Hello. Are you the one that was stabbed?
No, ain't nobody being stabbed. She got up in my face. I just got that's all the out there.
Well, yeah, nobody's been stabbed.
She hit me and I just hit her. Okay,
officers, hold on, let me fix my stuff. I see you looking at me, sir.
What's going on?
Okay, I've been going through this stuff with them. All they do is sit around here. They nitpick. They young. I ain't got time for y'all.
Okay.
The girl got up in my face. We argued. Then she hit me. I hit her right back.
Okay.
Now you, call the police.
She hit you?
She hit me. I hit her back. The face. I'm just getting out of surgery.
Where she hit you at?
My face. You see that? Up here. See that?
I see something right here.
Yeah. She hit me. I come down. I just started hitting her back.
Now, technically, you know what I'm saying? She could get hit first, but the person who does the hitting first is not usually the person who goes to jail. The aggressor is the one that usually goes to jail. So she could have been aggressive as hell, which caused the girl to hit her first.
So who is this? Who is this girl?
That little short butterball.
Short butterball. Is she out here?
Yeah.
Which one?
That little short with the hair. She got the box cutter. Nobody got no goddamn
In the pink? Is that what you're talking about?
With the ripped up shirt, I tried to get her off of me.
Like the pink, red,
The red
pink top?
shirt. Yeah. Ain't nobody doing no box cutter. I just came from outside.
Come here.
Like,
Fuller. Step back for me for a sec. You're talking about her right there?
yeah, right there.
Alright. Go ahead. Grab Shorty in the front for me real quick. Just grab Shorty in the front for me real quick. Just detain in the red? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and go detain one to pink real quick. Okay, see got injuries on anything? He's got something small right here. Just until we can figure out what's going on. Alright.
You don't have no stress. You got never hear her back. You can tell you that. That's all they do. Oh, I have nothing on me. That girl hit me in the back.
Alright. Come here. You're just going to be detained until I can figure out what's going on. Okay? That's the only reason you're going in cuffs, okay? I got
You don't hit nobody and think you're going to get away with it.
Oh, no, you don't what? I'm trying to read that shirt.
If I go to jail, she better go too.
Relax, son.
Okay.
You're fine.
I'm just getting all excited about it.
Alright, come on. I'm going to take that to the car. We're just going right outside, okay?
Her keys.
No, I don't. And that's all possession.
What do you say, exercise?
I was shooting.
She threatened. Big bird.
Right here. Right here, help this one. Where did this happen at, hon?
Right there, downstairs.
Upstairs?
Down here.
Down here?
You see
We
the
said, oh no, I don't do that.
puppet
Can't see the
masters
damn-
right here?
Alright. Yeah, just see. She's saying it happened right here.
Yeah, right downstairs. All they do is start shit. I'm too old for this shit.
You got nothing on you, right,
I
hon?
got nothing on me.
Okay. Have a seat in there for me. So there's. Take a seat. Okay. You want to put these on real quick? That's fine. Go ahead.
I just came from outside.
Okay.
Then
Alright. Take a seat. What did she say?
Hey, Black, you just being detained for right now. They're gonna drive up to the police station. You just being detained right now. She gonna be like in there for 5 years. You just being detained right now. She gonna be on probation. You just being detained right now.
We have multiple witnesses in there saying that
Be the goddamn electric chair. You just being detained right now.
she attacked her, and then she picked up a box knife. She didn't hit her back at all.
All
She
the
was
witnesses are saying that.
Yeah,
Cool.
Everybody in there saying she's the suspect. She started it. She's the one who picked up the box cutter and then put it down and then kept hitting.
She's saying
You see what I mean?
she's got any scratches on hers from her bracelet.
Because she put up her hands. That's everybody's saying the same thing.
She's got something tiny, but it almost looks like it's old. Like it's got
Yeah,
makeup
that's what
on
I'm saying.
it, so-
Yeah. I'm
Did anybody
anybody
say she made any threats with the knife or anything?
Well, she was in the middle of fighting there and then picked it up and then put it back down. But
Oh, okay.
I mean,
Does anybody know where it's at right now?
the box cutter?
Yeah.
No, I have no idea. I'm gonna finish getting the witnesses, information, and shit like that.
I mean, some people say it's bad to judge. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you could just walk in the incident, the facility, and then you could see who's the issue. I mean, when the cameras came up in with Bodycam, we seen her illness. We seen the issue. We already knew without even looking at the other suspect. I mean, or a person involved. We knew who the issue was. It's just that you gotta be fair.
Well, I can go in and talk to
I
the
feel like I
witnesses
should
too.
undetain her so that we can freely ask her questions without Miranda.
Yeah,
That's
you wanna
fine.
do
Is
that?
she's not in cuffs or anything?
No, we didn't.
All
put
right,
her
I didn't
in-
know that, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take her out.
We didn't put her in anything since.
You could literally look at somebody and be like, "Yo, they did it."
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I'll
so.
be yeah, I think, yeah.
I'll come in there with you and get witness statements. How you good with her, Samsel? I'm gonna go in there with him. Sounds like she's a suspect. Fine. She grabbed the box cutter supposedly, and she didn't do anything with it. But it sounds like you got at least battery. So yeah.
Oh, where was it?
In the garbage.
Oh, cool.
In the
Got it?
office.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, so we don't need a Roscoe then, huh?
No, we're good. I just gotta get her name and stuff.
You good though?
Yeah, just gonna Miranda's her real quick, ask her what happened, get her name, and call for the wagon. That's enough for Ag Bat, right? She had this, she said, I'll cut you.
Maybe.
I'll cut you, I'll kill you.
Maybe. I don't know. I know aggravated assault for sure. I don't know.
It's a battery and ag assault.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Since she just made contact with this, and then she picked up and said, "I'll kill you with it." That makes the ag assault.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I'll ask him. I didn't know you were still here. All right, thanks, boys.
All right, man.
Appreciate it. Try to relax. Try to relax. I know it's hot, okay? I know it's hot. But I got the air going as much as I can. Okay. Just relax, okay? Just relax.
So I'm going to jail.
Take deep breaths. Okay.
Am I going to jail?
You probably are gonna go to jail, but I need to talk to you first.
I just sent me to the hospital.
Well, that's only gonna prolong the whole thing, okay? So if that's what you want to do,
I had surgery.
okay, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna prolong you going to jail. But if you want to go to the jail, want to go to.
Let me tell you something. It's now, see, it has to affect you negatively for you to know that, hey, you shouldn't have been doing the shit you was doing. Now you got to go to the hospital. But before you pick up that box cutter, this didn't cross your mind. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we got to do some future thinking. Like, damn, what if I pick up the box cutter and do this? Only bad things gonna come from this. So let me not do this. That's adult thinking.
How long am I going to be in jail?
Well, you probably talk to if you go right now, you probably talk to you might be able to talk to a judge today.
I gotta go to my appointment with the cancer center.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta read these to you, okay?
I don't want to hear it.
I have to, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say...
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I'm gonna ask each one of y'all viewers, do y'all walk around with box cutters and threat people? And I want y'all to write down in the comments the same thing her shirt says. Oh no, I don't do that.
Having these in mind, do you want to talk to me? What's that? I know. That's why I got the door open for you here, okay? But do you want to talk to me about what happened?
It don't make a difference. I'm going to jail.
Well, you can still plead your case.
I don't care. I'm going to jail. The got out of the car, went in. I'm going to jail. Ain't nothing to talk about.
Okay. So you don't want to talk?
Get in my face again. I'm going to hit your ass again.
So you don't want to talk to me?
No, but I feel like I'm going to out.
Okay. Well, I'm going to get you as much air as you can, okay? So I'm going to call for the wagon. Okay? What do you want to prolong the process?
Bring her ass to the hospital, man. That's all.
Go to the hospital, or do you want to just get it over with?
I can't breathe.
I'm gonna tell she gonna have to tell you.
What do you want me to do? It's up to you. Okay? But the sooner you get out there, the sooner you can talk to a judge. Okay?
I don't know why I can't go no jacket. I feel like I'm freaking out.
I know, that's why I need you to relax, okay?
Her emotions is not allowing her to say, just bring me to the hospital. Jesus, just say you want to go to the hospital unless you faking it.
Anxiety.
I need you to try and relax, okay? Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Jeanette. Jeanette, relax. What's that? What do you want me to do, Jeanette? Do you want to go to the jail, or do you want to go to the hospital? Okay. We're just gonna go to jail then, okay? If you're okay. I'm gonna leave this open for you. So she made threats with the knife. Never had it. Ag assault better. Because she was hitting her with the fist. Yeah. Sounded right. Because I don't know, I don't know if I got enough for ag that, but... Oh, no. Yeah, so ag assault and battery. She just said, I'll cut you, I'll kill you, bitch. So... Yeah. We got it.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. I'm trying to... I'm not necessarily trying to talk her out of going to the hospital, but I'm trying to calm her down because she's trying to freak out. Okay. Relax. So I'm going to call her wagon right now. Okay. So they can get out of here. Yep. All right. That's all I wanted to ask you. Sorry. Yeah, you're good. All right. Cool. Thanks. I didn't know you were still here, and then I saw you were getting ready to leave, so I was like, all right, hold up.
Let me recommend something to y'all. I recommend that all y'all learn the law of y'all state and see what the how it goes with walk around with protection. I suggest to y'all pepper spray. You know what I mean? It's non-lethal. You know what I mean? Some people walk around with knives, but you can F around and kill somebody with a knife, even if you defend yourself. I'm not saying you're gonna get a murder charge. I'm just saying the person could die. So to avoid that, pepper spray could be your first choice. And then if that don't work, then you put like a second protection if you have to defend yourself. But find out the laws in your state.
Jeanette, shut up.
You got something that's all. I swear for the living God. Jeanette,
stop.
Jeanette.
Stop.
Jeanette. Y'all some coward ass.
Hey, stop.
Stop moving.
Stop. Stop moving.
I swear to God, I'm getting y'all Location.
You just put her up against the right here.
You got your ass whooped. You got your ass whooped. You got your ass whooped. Do you copy my shit?
I'm still trying to read the back of her shirt.
How the they do? Swear to God, I'm coming for one by one.
Now she's threatening them all in front of the police.
Hey, it's gonna hurt if you keep moving. Stop moving.
You think they're gonna add terroristic threats on her charges?
Angry.
I understand that.
That's all they do. Nitpick, nitpick. Got something for them.
They get the biggest slap on the wrists.
And it's hurt.
I know.
You got two cuffs on. So that's why I'm trying to tell you to stop moving. Okay?
Y'all hurting me.
Try not to.
We got one more we gotta get off. Okay? Alright.
Let me get these adjusted and then we'll be done here. You got anything in your pockets? Anything in your bra?
I don't think she's got it.
Love me.
Alright, let's go this way.
You get your ass whooped. You next again.
Jeanette, stop!
Damn.
Fat. That's why you got your ass whooped.
Did she just call them fat?
You talking man.
I got you.
Careful.
Milligan?
Thanks.
They ended up charging her with aggravated assault. She must have been in a serious bad mood on this day to let a simple back and forth lead to this type of unnecessary violence. But share your comments on this incident below, and thanks for watching.
Okay, here's another thing that we learned what not to do. All right? Hey, y'all, write in the comments, man. Do y'all walk around with box cutters just attacking people and stuff like that? Hopefully y'all all can write down, oh no, I don't do that. And check this out.
We appreciate the likes and shares on our Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Love y'all. Peace.